sharing a dream come true.
Oh, be careful, one at a time.
Whether it's delicious dining, sensational shopping, or a scary walk in the park, Monstropolis offers something for everyone. Our city may be monstrously large, but our local business owners take pride in providing you with small-town friendliness and small-town service. If there's anything we can do for you while you're here, be sure to give us a holler. Welcome to the Monstropolis Transit Authority Terminal, the hub for transportation to the greater Monstropolis area. Regularly scheduled trains and buses depart hourly. For more immediate transportation, Monstropolis City Cab service is available at any time. Please proceed to the taxi boarding area located just ahead. Thank you. If this is your first visit to our friendly city, the Monstropolis Chamber of Commerce would like to welcome you with big, hairy arms. We hope you enjoy your stay, and while you're here, may all your dreams come true. A leader in business and industry, Monstropolis is home to energy giant Monsters Incorporated. Founded by Henry J. Waternews I, Monsters Incorporated has always taken great pride in their patented and highly successful pause-and-cure scare technique. Today, the process has been refined, carefully matching each human child to their ideal monster, a process called scarodynamics. The strange end result was then refined into clean, dependable energy, helping to make Monstropolis a wonderful place to live, work, and play.
Atención visitante. Para su propia seguridad durante el paseo, mantengan las manos, brazos, pies, piernas y colas dentro del taxi y vigilen a sus hijos. Gracias.
Attention visitors, for your safety while motoring through Monstropolis, please keep your... Hello! If you are new to the area, the Monstropolis Chamber of Commerce would like to welcome you. While you're in town, be sure to...
We interrupt this program for a special report. A child is on the loose in Monstropolis. A human child!
If witnesses are to be believed, there has been a child security breach for the first time in monster history.
We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight.
I tried to run from it, but it picked me up with its mind powers and shook me like a dog.
It's true! I saw the whole thing! Happy birthday, Schmoopsy Poo!
Oh, googly bear!
It was horrible. I was minding my own business when this human child froze me with its telepathic control. It made me dance like a...
We gotta get you home.
This But I love you, kiddo.
Good night. Genie's gotta go now. Sleep tight.